Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to our final week of our January teaching series. And you know what? Today, we're going to be talking all about the power of Jesus and how powerful Jesus still is in our lives today. And to do that, we got an experiment here, but you know what? We need Miss Christy, who's holding the camera right now, to take us through this. We're going to swap. Here we go. Here comes Miss Christy.
I love science!
There it is. All right. What do you got for us?
Okay, so this is something that you can do at home with your grown-ups' permission, of course. All you need is a pie plate and some milk, some liquid food coloring, a Q-tip, and some dish soap. So what you would do is pour a little bit of milk in your pie plate, and then you're going to take your liquid food coloring and you're going to put one drop kind of in the center, and you're going to take your next color and put it kind of close, just one drop. And we're going to go with green, and we're going to do another drop, and yellow, one more drop. So you got 4 drops of food coloring in your milk. Then you're going to take your Q-tip and you're going to put a drop of, well, I'm going to do a little bit. You're going to get the tip of the Q-tip all covered in the dish soap. And then watch what happens when you take your Q-tip and you put it in the center of the milk. I'm just going to hold it still. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Whoa! And you can even move it around a little bit.
That's so cool. That kind of looks like tie-dye.
It does. It's like you're painting with milk and food coloring, but look at that. Could you imagine? That was like really powerful. One little Q-tip, one drop of dish soap, and it made this beautiful mess. So, just like we are learning in our lesson about the power that Jesus has, take it away, Pastor John.
I think she said it very well. Just like we're learning all about the power that we saw from that little bit of soap, we are going to see how even the little bit of power in our lives with Jesus can go a very, very long way.
I'm going to continue to play. Look at this.
Well, that's awesome. All right, well, we're going to send you guys to your lesson, and we hope that you have a lot of fun today.